Welcome to an episode of I could have just bought something normal, but no, let's buy something from TEMU. Please hit that subscribe button so you can see more of my vulgar content. Let's open this. I am fully prepared for disappointment. But this wood is actually heavy, so it might not be as bad as I thought. This could actually hold something heavier than my emotional baggage. So far, there was only a few mishaps where I skipped a fucking step and I had to go back and figure out what I did. So note to self, take your time and read the directions step by step. Once in a while, I have to stand up because I am old and overweight. My back was going out, my menopause was kicking in, and I swear to God, I was 1,000 degrees at this point. But I was getting there. They do make it pretty simple because the bags are labeled clearly with numbers and letters. Make sure you hit that like button. Putting these little slides on for the drawers, however, can be a little bit of a bitch. You cannot tighten the screws down all the way until those things are perfectly straight. So take your time and make sure you do this part right, or your drawers will not fit exactly how they should. As you can see, my cat Frank likes to supervise and make sure I'm doing things correctly. So after about 20 minutes into doing this, I realized it's going really fast, and I'm not looking forward to the drawers because I have assembled some TEMU stuff before, and that part is a pain in the ass. Oh my God, it's starting to look like a nightstand. It's a miracle. And now the fun part is assembling these cute little drawers that go in the bottom. At this point though, this was simple. I wasn't dealing with big ass pieces of wood to try to hold up and keep together while putting these janky ass, I don't know what you call them, screw things into the corners to make it nice and sturdy, which shockingly it was. You just kind of tilt the drawers up, get the little wheels inside their little slots. And right here you see me not doing it correctly, so I have to take it out and try again. Voila! It's a nightstand. Look at her, she's so pretty. And now we put in the outlet box. 2 screws, easy peasy. Look at it, would you just look at it? The outlet holds 2 regular plugs and 2 USBs. And there you have it. It is my new printer stand matching my TEMU fireplace. You don't even want to know how long it took to build that son of a bitch.